I just, like sometimes, like here at UTV, I just feel like I'm going off the rails on a crazy train.
I fell on that crazy train. You just feel like we're living on a prayer. We're not going to take this anymore. We are not going to take this anymore.
Hey Mike, like why like we're always like sharing our feelings and stuff, like what do you want? What do you...
Here, let me change that.
Yo!